look at the current market, economics are still quite challenging. So when you look at the current stock, with also trying to be compliant on the road to Paris, we need a lot of capex. So when you need a capex discussion, it's all about also the collaboration between the operator and the investor, like tackling the split incentive issue, and also try to make a holistic approach, because when you would like to tackle the E, it's fairly important to distinguish the social impact. And I think that's also what we're trying to highlight at the EXPO Real, the social impact discussion, what are we measuring, who is measuring, and also what kind of effect do we see on the valuation. And that was a fairly interesting discussion. We founded the SHHA in 2020, and I think after 3.5 years we are now in a mature situation where we can also go to a more policy-making perspective. For example, the EU Commission, I think the SHHA can be also a thought leader, and also on the operational side, that we can give a directive also on the social impact side in terms of what kind of measurements, is there any framework, and also to go from the theoretical way to the daily practice. And that's what we need. I think the colorful family of SHHA, where we have investors, operators and other stakeholders in one family, it has such a great value proposition, and also to define solutions in different asset classes, because it's not one box. It's senior living with more independent living, all the way to assisted living and nursing homes, and those are sub-asset classes. So we need to have a very clear definition, where are we talking about, also make distinctions between countries and legislations, and then create a holistic approach to 2050, where we tackle the E, we tackle the S, and also on governance. It's fairly important to highlight also the impact for society, because aging demographics affects us all, and the SHHA is ready to help.